Unity is strength. Once upon a time, there was a flock of doves that flew far away from their home in search of food. They flew a long distance and were very hungry and tired. But encouraged by their king, they flew further and found some rice grains scattered on the ground under a banyan tree. All the doves landed under the tree and began to eat the grains. All of a sudden, a vast net fell over them, and all the doves were trapped in the net. All the more they saw a hunter approaching towards them from a distance. By seeing him, all the doves got panicked and they desperately started fluttering their wings to get out of the net, but of no avail. Seeing all this, the Dove King asked them not to panic and advised all the doves to act together and fly at the same time along with the net. Hence, each dove picked the net with their beak, and together they flew, carrying the net with them. Seeing them flying with the net, the hunter ran after them, but they flew higher and higher over the hills. The hunter gave up and stood there watching the birds fly with the net over the horizon. So kids, what's the moral of the story? What did we learn? That all obstacles can be overcome when we all work together in union. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more videos.